channel. In today's video we are actually building a balloon arch. So it was my baby's birthday on the weekend and he turned 1, so I thought what better of a chance than to do a little party series on a budget. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own balloon arch like this because it turned out amazing. And if you're keen, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss out on any further videos in this little series. And yeah, with all that said, let's jump into it. To build this balloon arch, you'll need roughly 200 balloons. You'll also need a balloon pump or an air compressor, fishing wire, a threading needle, scissors, a low temp balloon gun, but that's optional, and lastly Tacks to pin the balloon arch to your wall. So before we get into constructing the arch, I just want to demonstrate how to get those perfectly round balloon shapes. Use your hand to compress the balloon so that it is round and not oval, and then tie the balloon up. If you have lots of helpers on hand, definitely use them because blowing and tying up the balloons is definitely a bit of a process. It took us around 45 minutes with 3 people and we ended up using the air compressor instead of the balloon pump because it was much faster. There was so many balloons and I had to move them all from the garage to the living room without slipping over. So once you've blown up your balloons and moved them into your designated area, now it's time to start constructing the arch. So there are 2 options here. Firstly, you can get 3 to 4 meters of wire and thread the balloons onto the one string, which is how I did it. Or you can do it in 1 meter sections if you need to transport the arch to a new location. Because we're going with option 1, we're going to use 3 to 4 meters of wire. Firstly, thread your needle with fishing wire and thread a balloon onto the wire. Tie the wire into a knot so the balloon doesn't slip off. One by one, thread the balloons onto the wire, pushing them all the way to the end of the wire where the first balloon was tied. I actually made the mistake of not pushing them to the end and it all got tangled and I had to start again. What a time waster. Once the arch is constructed and you've tied the last balloon onto the remaining fishing wire, it's time to pin it to the wall. I actually got a few more pieces of fishing wire and looped it around the balloon arch wire to attach it to the wall. You can make it any shape you want, but I preferred a more organic flow. So these next 2 parts are optional, but I think it definitely makes the arch really pop. You can put real or faux flowers or greenery onto the arch like I did, and they are so pretty. And the next option is to fill any of the gaps on the arch with any additional balloons using a low temperature glue gun. I hope you get so many compliments on your balloon arch because I know I did and I absolutely loved it and I felt so proud when I made it. That's pretty much it for this video, but don't forget to be subscribed with that notification bell turned on so you don't miss out on next week's video. We are actually building a DIY backdrop, and yeah, with all that said, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!